In this video, we are going to convert a given number in decimal to the number in binary, that is base 10 to base 2. So we want to go from base 10 to base 2. So the number is in with the fractional part, 25 is whole part and 0.625 is fractional part. So we have to divide this number in two parts, that is whole number and fraction, that is 25 and 0.625. so we will convert these two parts independently. First we will convert this 25 into binary by successfully dividing it by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 1 is remainder, so write remainder here. 2 6 the 12, remainder is 0. 2 3 the 6, remainder is 0. Then 2 1 the 2, remainder is 1. Again 2 12 the 24, remainder is 1 because 25 and there is remainder is 1. 2 6 the 12, remainder is 0. 2 3 the 6, completely divided, remainder is 0. 2 1 the 2, so remainder is 1. So write this number from bottom to top like this. So you have actually converted it into the, that is 1 1 0 0 and 1. So this is the first part. In second part, the fractional part, here we have to multiply the number by 2. So multiply it by 2, we will get 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4 5, 6 to the 12, that is 1. So take this part off, so take it off, write it here. We are left with 0.250. Again multiply it by 2, you will get 0, 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4 and 5, this 0. Take this 0 off as 0 and you are left with this number. Multiply it by 2, you will get 0 0 5 to the 10. So take this one off here and you are left with 0. So stop here and write this number from top to bottom, means this part is converted to 101. So whole part is converted as 25.625 base 10 is equal to, that is 11001 101. This is in base 2. So this was the conversion which